What is going on, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying their week. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Black Apino the Apple Guy. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my GoPro Hero 7. Now, for those of you that have followed my channel over the recent years, know that I actually already have a GoPro Hero 7, and I've done unboxings of various GoPros and I've done reviews on them, but actually I have never actually done an unboxing of the Hero 7 that I owned previously, and so I actually broke my other one by accident, so I figured today would be a good day to do an unboxing of this initially properly, as I have done unboxings of my Hero 5 and my Hero. So we're going to get right into the video of this. If you aren't familiar with the GoPro Hero 7, I will drop a link in the YouTube little suggestion box, and I will have a link in the description on the playlist for pretty much all the GoPro stuff that I have done. And the reason why I purchased the 7 as opposed to the 8 is there's not much of a difference between the 7 and the 8 to me, other than obviously the 8 has the 2x hyper smooth and the stabilization and a few other things which initially the 7 already has. So I don't really need extra, and it's a little bit bigger than the 7. So in terms of the pieces that I already currently have for the 7, I would actually have to initially go out and buy new parts, and I rather would not want to do that. And then there's the question of the mod pods. Basically, they're little pieces that you can connect the GoPro into, and you can use the attachments that come with it, and they're about 80 bucks each, and I really don't want to go through that route. It's a lot more money than having to simply just buy this, going on Amazon, buying a simple holster or a simple I believe it's called a GoPro case, I believe is what it's called, and just simply going and doing that. So we're initially gonna go into the unboxing, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you what comes with it, and we'll do a quick setup of it. I won't go into using the app portion, as I already have a video on that. We're just going to kind of go into the unboxing of it. Now we're going to get into the unboxing. I love the way that they have the little perforated things. Before, when you had to, or in previous models of the GoPros, they had the way you had to kind of open it up, you know, with the bottom and having to flip out, you tear up the box. I love the way they do it now with just a simple, just perforated. You just simply just pull, and that's pretty much it, and you just literally just pull it apart, and that's what I love about this. So as you can see, obviously it's the hyper smooth. Now the only difference between this one and the 8 is 8's a little bit bigger. It does still have the hyper zoom and all the hyper stability and all of that. It's just that it's ×2, which means it's a little bit more stable, which again, you probably won't notice too much of a difference if you've already had a 7 and looking replaced with the 8. It's best just to stick with the 7 unless it's your first GoPro and you want to buy the 8. But the only thing that I've seen different between the 7 and the 8 is that the 8 does raw pics, whereas the 7 does not. And again, that depends on if you're wanting to shoot pictures with it. I use it strictly in a video sense. So again, this will also do the 4K at 60, 30, the 1080, the 2.7K, and all of that. So initially it's the same thing, just a little bit better, but it's not too much of a difference between it, other than body design's a little different. So we're gonna pull this out. Oops. And as you can see, there's a little hole right there. You can just, and as you can see to the side, GoPro itself, and all GoPros come with this little plastic, I guess you can call it a mount, but do be careful. I mentioned this in other GoPro videos. Be careful of these. These are extremely fragile sometimes, especially if you don't have the flap down on it. So as you can see, right now it's down. If I lift it up like that, then all you have to do is squeeze these apart, and then this is how you initially get the piece off of this. But most of your mounts, all your mounts, are going to kind of look like this. If it's a focus on it, will come on this. So when you have the mounts pieces like this. And I don't know if my camera will focus on this really well, but we'll do it from the back. When you twist these, when you push these in, they do have a habit of, come on camera, there we go. They do have a habit, when you twist these in, they do have a habit of breaking. So it's best to just go on to Amazon and buy like, 7 or 8 more for like $10. That way, if you do manage to break off one of these pieces right here, it is not hard to replace it. But if you do break it off and you want to mount it on something, it makes it feel like it's not as secure as if you had both of the pieces of the clamped on there. But otherwise, it's pretty, simple. So obviously it'll come with the little mount and the screw thing, or the mount and the screw thing right here. So that'll be on the side. Then we'll pop this open, and then obviously you're gonna have your reading material, help, your manual. I believe this might be warranty, safety instructions, and then we'll see what comes with it. And as with typical with all GoPros, you're gonna get like a few mounts. These are 3M taped, so basically if you can tape this basically to the dashboard of whatever you want. It should be easy to come off, but yeah, you probably don't want to do that, at least not initially yet. Comes with a cord. Now these are USB-C cords, so basically you just plug that into your computer, USB-C that into your GoPro, and then that's pretty much how that works. Again, another adhesive. This one's a curved one, so if you have more of a curved surface and not flat, you can simply just 3M tape that to that. Then obviously your battery. Now I already have extra batteries, but these are typically about $20 each, so it's not too terribly expensive to buy another one. But depending on where you live, like I live in Alaska, I actually cannot get these shipped via Amazon or eBay because it is a lithium-ion battery. But you can get them at Best Buy. They're pretty cheap. So it's that. And then I believe that is everything. So yeah. So that is my unboxing of the Hero 7. And since there's no battery in it, obviously it won't be charged up. But I've already had the 7. I've done numerous reviews on them. I just, again, have never done a unboxing. So this is the unboxing of my Hero 7. Again, the Hero 7 itself, the battery, lithium-ion battery. You get two adhesive mounts. One's for flat, one's for curved. One's for flat, one's for curved. You get some cool stickers, which I usually do post on my on most of my bags, because I do use my GoPro a lot if I don't feel like wanting to use my camera. So again, if this video was helpful, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, as I do come up with new content every Thursday or every other Thursday. And I'll thank everybody for watching, and have a good one.